During unexpected transitions, financial crises, or pivotal moments such as gearing up for a product launch or managing supply chain disruptions, manufacturing companies turn to the expertise of interim CFOs. These professionals are the strategic anchors that manufacturing giants, as well as emerging players, count on to guide them through their most critical financial periods with precision and industry-specific insight. Let's explore the essential services interim CFOs provide to BluWave clients in the manufacturing sector. Cost management and reduction. Interim CFOs excel in identifying areas where manufacturing processes can be optimized for cost savings without compromising on quality. They implement strategies for lean manufacturing, reducing waste, and enhancing efficiency across production lines. Supply chain financial strategy. With a comprehensive understanding of the complexities of global supply chains, these experts develop financial strategies that mitigate risks associated with supply chain volatility. They ensure financial resilience against disruptions, securing the best terms with suppliers and optimizing inventory levels to balance cost and demand. Capital investment and expansion planning. Interim CFOs guide manufacturing companies through the financial planning of capital investments, ensuring that expansions or upgrades to machinery and facilities are financially sound decisions. They elevate investment opportunities with a keen eye on ROI, preparing detailed financial models to support strategic growth initiatives. Operational financial oversight. They provide oversight of operational finances, closely monitoring production costs, overheads, and pricing strategies. Interim CFOs ensure that financial practices align with production goals and drive profitability and competitive advantages in the market. Compliance and risk oversight. Mastering the regulatory landscape of the manufacturing industry requires experienced guidance. Interim CFOs ensure your organization complies with industry regulations, environmental standards, and safety protocols, safeguarding your reputation and operational integrity. Opting for BluWave means prioritizing your strategic objectives and valuing efficiency in the manufacturing sector. Our network grants you access to more than 800 premier interim CFOs, each rigorously vetted for their proven expertise and success. We make the search effortless, ensuring you swiftly connect with the perfect match for your needs with confidence. Reach out to BluWave or visit our website to share your specific manufacturing needs.